Want to learn coding but don't know where to start? Let me introduce you to the Programming Hub, the all-in-one app to learn coding anytime, anywhere. Programming Hub is a learning platform that offers coding lessons in multiple programming languages like Python, Java, C++, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and more. It's designed for beginners as well as professionals who want to improve their skills. Once you open the app, you can choose from different programming courses, each with interactive lessons, examples, and quizzes. It also has a built-in compiler so you can write and run your code directly inside the app without installing anything else. You can track your progress, earn certificates, and even learn advanced topics like AI, data science, and app development. Everything is designed to be short, simple, and easy to understand. With Programming Hub, you can learn at your own pace, practice on the go, and build skills that can actually help you get better career opportunities. If you want to start coding or level up your skills, try the Programming Hub app. It's available on Android and iOS. And if this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for more app reviews and tutorials. I will see you in the next video. Take care. Goodbye. Best of luck.